Whoa, your hair looks awesome. Did you do something different?
Yeah, I've been making my own shampoo. I followed the recipe for Graver hair care, except I made it a little cooler.
Whoa, can you make me some?
I don't know, I've got so much to do between school and virtual classes, I just don't have time to bottle and sell all this shampoo.
Have you ever had an idea for a product but couldn't figure out how you would be able to produce it by yourself? Are you looking for a silent partner? A contract manufacturer who could develop your product in batches and still be true to the formula you created? FMI could do just that.
FMI specializes in manufacturing prestigious personal care, home, and beauty products that have a positive impact on people.
Since 1992, the family-owned business formulates, bottles, labels, and distributes the secret sauce for many high-end beauty brands.
But all our products start with an idea from an entrepreneur.
Our customers bring us an idea for their products and trust us to produce it for them.
The FMI process starts with product development.
A team of chemists create a formula that adheres to quality control standards regulated by the FDA.
While a marketing team designs labels and sometimes bottles.
They then move on to production.
A compounding team makes the juice from raw materials.
And an FMI filling team has up to 18 different lines to accommodate different products and packaging.
FMI has even recently restructured their floor to provide more room for new lines and to keep up with current trends in beauty manufacturing,
including organic and natural products,
sustainability and the use of recycled plastics,
custom men's care products,
and of course, in response to the pandemic,
hand sanitizer.
Then it's also distribution, with the client relations team keeping our customers feeling good about the pride taken to produce the product.
Thanks to FMI, my new and improved hair product can now be used on all bulldogs, including Mr. Graver.